Hello, welcome to another episode of Iliashi. Some of you would wonder, what is Iliashi? Maybe this is the first time you're watching this show. Iliashi is about realities, stories that tell things that have happened, things that maybe you've never heard of before. This is where we get to go into details about those stories. And when we talk about these stories, what are these stories about? These stories affect everyone. They affect the young, they affect the old, they affect the women, they affect the men, they affect the children, they affect every person in all walks of life. And on this show, due to popular demand, I have a special guest because everyone was like, we need this person back because Valilanda Posana Pabaume, and now you want her to talk about the women. So if you want to get into the details about everything that I've just talked about, stay tuned. Right after the break, we will be able to introduce to you the very special guest that you people want to see. We'll be right back. Welcome back. And like I mentioned, due to popular demand, because you people just couldn't let me end that topic on men because you're like, Mwananda sana pawa menga bana kashi. I'm like, abana kashi wachtenshi. So now in this episode this week, we are definitely going to tackle the women. So without further ado, let me introduce to you our mom. Some of you know her as Mama Chikamoneka. Me, she's my mom. Mama Chikamoneka, welcome back. Abantu na bamitemwa sana out there. I know people love you, but this one is very yabako sana special. Welcome back, Mami. Hey, I'm Mkwai. I hope all is well. Kunganda na fiance. Awe tu atasha sana. So, Mami, the last time you came here, people were like, ba mami na basoka sana baume. Nga ba nakashinish tabade basokera. So I was like, let me bring back mom so that nabena paba nakashi nabena mukoma ishepo kuchitashani.
Kukoma ilapo.
Kukoma
ila nondo lishpadi ulema. Mkwai.
That is my mother out there. So amongst the topics that everyone is demanding, they're like, okay, fine. But even married women are cheating back. They are now becoming something else. So, Mami, my first question today will be, what is causing these women to start cheating back? They should be going out of their houses.
Na totera sana palido elipusha isuma nganshi pamlandu wakutila abantu abengi balanda po pamlandu wakwatwaliranda sana pabaume ero bachita balanda sana kutilanga bana mayo bena tabachito obuchende mwalanda sana pali bashitata kwena icho na totera sana kuli bonsa bale demand okutila tuingalanda na kuli bana mayo elo chachi ne mwana wandi bana mayo na beno buchende na buchira makamaka bana mayo abaupwa eba chirire musano buchende nomba ichakubalira po na lafu ayo kweba bana mayo bubeshi kwati obushibilo pachupo panticho bafiro kwishiba chakwati bushe chupo chinshi umuntu ngateshibe chupo bala chitefya kuchitachita ifyo fine fya kwati umuntu bali mupa bamulipirira empango fyonse bamulipirira ero nombanga bamutwala panganda palya umulume limbi umulume ale chitobu chende naye nalatampo kutontonga ati naine nakula chitobu 50-50 ilya 50-50 munganda taibomba ero futi ichilelenga sana ine baletere kwati gender naye na ichita sana ubwafya kumumayanda y'abantu bana maita bale kwata respect kuchindi ko umulume wako bwino pakutila era afuma umunganda okya mu chitobu chende kai kuli gender mayo wandi alabale chitobu chende mule ufafe bana mayo nga kuli abachende Promax ni bana mayo abaupwa
Promax
Promax bala bachende ndengeba ero abachende bakwa cost pantu muntu nga naupwa ero alesha balume bakwe ine mama chikamunika tili chendelia ku high cost because alafu manu bakulo cost ile ku high cost mkwai so so bana mayo chakubalira pocho bafire bayishiba barayishiba kutira lesa ewa pangire chupo ili apangire chupo lesa achipangire chintu ikisuma sana ekyawamina bonse babiri because mu chupo emufuma abaana kuchupa ekufuma abaana so ubwafya buliko bwakutila iliyo na mayo ale ekitobu kyende ale akuma guest house ale shomulube wakwe mu nganda ale lete ekinkasa mu nganda ya mwaume ichinkasa wiro kasa wira nalalanda ati kiri ekintu kyabapa bantu babiri mula kita share blood abantu babiri nombanga muhamba okukita share blood abantu 7 uyu mulumi yaleta omukashina yena afuma ku buchende nishimule pange ekinkasa wira mu
nganda so nifya sankana
fyafula elo ababa na mayo bafuiro kwishibo kutira leseri apangire echupo apangire fyo omuntu umo apanga Adam elo aisampera na Eva aba nikafwa elo Adam aba mutwe umwaume mutwe wa nganda elo mwana kashaba fye submissive kumulume wakwe Bible yatweba tevyo umwana kashitasuminishiwo kulafuma kumulume okuya mukukitobu kyende icho kilubo nalamisambirisha kwe kintu kimwe mwana wandi ichi kitikanga kyakutira umwana kashali upwa elo alefuma mu nganda ale mukukitobu kyende nakubasambirira sana makamaka babasambirire fya safety ifinalala ape mu fyaba umwana kashiule alaleta bad luck mu nganda alaleta bad luck mu shiranshi ala ya kumwa umeulya teshibe blood yako kwali babantu bakwata blood good luck blood na bad luck blood ala musenda ile milopale leta mu nganda kumulume wako takashuke elo bambi ngama truck drivers na babene abanenso abante pyabenda nemfuti abalekana aba umukashi wakwe ngali ule tabakatali munini kapwente pe because umukashi wakwe ale muletere fimfundi nkanya mu nganda ne ufaka ero ngama truck drivers balafuira na pamusebo ngao po mwana kashiule ema disadvantages yaba mukupo mwana kashiule emukwayo kesa sango kwati wafwa bwangu pamulando wakubati mwana kashina uya truck driver ule ku South Africa ule akuisa walafuira mu shira accident umukashobe ali alechendwa mu guest house wala ikala bwino mwana
awete tuikade so number mami when it comes to because I know every married woman out there they teach you how to keep a home to alikwata baba na chimbusa and then kuba omeba alikwata bashibukombe so number is it because bana chimbusa na bashibukombe they are not actually teaching them the exact dangers of going out of their ama homes ya obaya mkuchitefo tabarefa iko kuchitanangu what is really lacking are they not doing their job bana chimbusa na bashibukombe nango chabashani
bashibukombe na bana chimbusa bala bombo mulimo wabo kulingana nefunde nomba fye bana bamanuka ikwatire umwana manuka itolere ali shupo kumchita control nangu benga mweba ngaya muri amunganda muri omwa kuchupo ngali berera fye ubuchende nishimuchende bantu wakalema takale wakalema takale kaso tete aleke ni chef yaba fye nangu bamufunde tete fibombe bati bana chimbusa bala pangana bena filafine amafunde yabo kufunda omwana okutira akonke amafunde nombo bwafye abana tukweta batuleita ati bajenzi batupini tete umufunde nibamanuka ikwatire ndemeba pana ufe mafunde la ina munganda bifota mula mutu kala muri munganda mukumufunda nishalishi bafyonse ala tampo instead bana chimbusa wale mufunda ene ule tufunda ebu afya tukwete kuli abana tukwete
bale tutakwate bakwete sana amano kuchira bakaramba
mwapusana na ifofwe bakale because ifo twale upu afya bayichefe filafine nefisungu fyesu no mwenso twale kwata nensoni ile bale kufunda na ukwata fenenso no baba bana besu bali pama pamana ndo wakati before tala upwa nishali bela kali obuchende ku university ku college ali onaika so nangu mwise mumufunde tete fibombe so echirelenga sana bana mayo obuchende bwachira emkwai
so ineyo ofona umfire kwa kale fya kutira not nakalena sana but mukulande fine mulanda nabanenu bale muleshimika bandata awe maybe it's because zoona ababene bana chimbusa na bashibukombe bachitira fe because ni business because ngabasambirisha bapuisha bale bapera ko something te bara bapera ko na something ngabale sambirisha So abengi balanda bablema sana tilimbi ababene abachitanani kani abasambilisha, the ones who are teaching people when they are going into marriage, they are the ones that are not doing the perfect job. But if you know, like the way you have explained, we have learned that they are actually doing their job, but it is because ni character yobefe, you just don't want to change. Walikuwa tafie amano yabu wole fine mwachiranda mkwai
apo pene tatula pita apo pali banachimbusa chachine kwali banachimbusa abashifunda bwino abana kwali banachimbusa na bena maule mulaba muna banachimbusa maule abengi sana pa TikTok mulaba muna bishaya mafunde kuti bafunda omwana ero kwali bafena banachimbusa bayisula ma page aya kona ulaba mukabene ababene abana kashi bale funda abana kashi ifya kwa mukuchita ife tete bafunde mune munganda obali kwata ma page obafunda ngafira mule muna bakashana balechita aba bakashana bale pa ma internet mule balechita bali abasambira kuli banachimbusa ife inkula ife omfita ife impobosa banachimbusa bali abashifiri okubefa imbusa nabo abasambirisha sana bana mayo buchende
so nomba yini mwalanda yanjibukisha na ama pages ndi pa Facebook ndepita pa Facebook na sasa anga page ati ifimbusa mushe ifimbusa mami firafu aiko kusambilisha pa internet nangu ifimbusa fyaba fyati kusambilisha nga mwaikana munganda olo kuisula page olo nomba mwambo kusambilisha out there, or it's just specifically for people who are about to get married, because inofo nachita observe fyakutira nga waisula page pa Facebook abantu bonse barengira mu mulya mwine na abashira upwa bonse omubari. And people who maybe don't even have intentions of getting married, they are there because they want to learn something, they want to see something. So if ifimbusefi, is it only for people who are about to get married, or nangwama singles fi bade folk sambili de finto fi afimbusa jaba shani kanje?
Mwana wandi pali ili pisha wino sana omulando wakubati intambi ni intambi. Muno muchalo chesu cha Zambia natona ule intambi. Because intambi kwali bentambi shakasuba nentambi shabushiko ishi shimone kwali befimoneka akasuba nefishimoneka akasuba intambi shesu sha Zambia shankama mwali benkama mwali benfunda to tafifide okufireta pa public because ero mwala leta yali amakunde pa public mwala onaula abana abengi echilengere sana okubati bana mayo basanguke amaule because bale fitamba fya paliponsi so na basanguka amaule abisana kwena ala na basanguka amaule ero tachiri ati yoni yababende abamazi mutwalala to ababende abamashanti compound nangwa abashani ababende bana mayo fya bakalamba fye mu makombo ni apsana mwine ma high costume emuli bana mayo abache the last
Pro Max
amati bako high cost na wishofu bale chitate bashitata bengita bayishibecho ababene bana mayo bashitira sana emyoto keshisuma sana bale chito buchende bonshatara monapo bala chitaso bana mayo bashabalume babo baya parking emyoto kapamo mukamone emyoto kapamo shali parking eshingi tashisela mukayipusha chishirenge emyoto kashirasera mwana wandi bamukakupwa balabesa mukushemyo tukapalia ero basenda yango yamutwala ku guest house mukuchendula ngapwisho kuchendula kulya ero bamubwesha futina yango ero wanina muri motoka abalumenga bapita palia baramona ati ali thinking ati awe abakashwandi bale shopping kanshi tabalipo bali mu guest house
kwenda kwali bokuchenjera ku buchende
uchende bwali shupa sana shishofo ninga bulondolola kwali shupa, that's why umuna mayo kubo muchende tachawa masana bambi ngapaki nga motoka pama mopanya ngaya kulyo kwaya ala yasange ulyo mwaume ali amukuchendura nankwe ngapwisha nankwe ile ine motoka ili mwaume ile I tinted ala muleta futi ala isa yekile muri ya motoka ya nine no muri ya motoka parking ile pale mwamo no buchende bale chitaba kwa high cost
kwenda nachishupa
ichalo nachishupa fye kuri ababana mayo twete pali lero nachishupa fye apakalambanga chitachiweme nankupanono bale chendula umulume wako alabomba ni abene ngani abene abantepi abaninso abanga kuri amaule Pro Max ni mumwine mubantepi abakashibabo maule sana ndemieba bala boko ati umulume wandi kuri arebomba na limbina kwata na maranki ayengi ero mukashiri ule shikona chamoleka bwino kwenda ero futi ububwini obuchende ubule chitabana mayo chibi sana because iwenga wabe omuchende wali upwa munganda n'abaana okalafiala tabakabe baana bamulume bobe bali tawakala ishu omwine wa mwana ni nani ekibipire pofena sana ekyo ichakuba ati umwana kashali upwa ero alefuma munganda mulube wakwe ali amukukita obuchende so ngali amukukita obuchende bulya bali abaana akulafiala mulya munganda bakwa nani that's why Zambia ino mwandini ndeta fe nani request ba government ama DNA yakapita fe ma door to door
bare pishamo so that you pofika pasangana. And on that note, Mami, just we'll be right back after this short break.
My name is Mwaka Mugala, and you're watching BMTV.
Welcome back, and we're still here with my very amazing mother. Just before the break, she was making us laugh. Mamula Nsekesha-san. So, Mami, I would want to ask again, what is the role of the church? Is the church actually doing enough when it comes to marriages, or maybe na church neglect abantu? What is the role that they should play muma issues ayaso?
Wanjipusheri suma sana mwana wandi ukulosha kufia kucheji in fact abantu nga baupana ichifaika sana pakuti ichupe chiwe bwino bakane okulafu muma omeno mwana kashi ku making sure kutira abantu bale pepa nga baba bakapepa bene ififya msango efita fichitika telingi because Bible ila kanya ifya buchende Bible yalirondora pa mwana kashefi abo afire okuba umwana kashi wa bonyino afire fyo kuba submissive kumulume wakwe nomba pamulandu wakutila kino ekyalo kyesu kya Zambia tema churches yonse yo natkwata ama churches yabakabepa bweminine yafurire ama church yabakabepa bweminine ama fake papa nabona ula sana abantu kaide ababena ma fake papa ebalera lana bamukabene ifofia na mulefi mona na newspaper filefu mana ma radio monse mule kwati papa bafuira pamulu we ule bashani so ayama church na ina yeta contribute kubona ushibwa chupo because umwana kashara ya kulipa papa ala ya mulondore problem ya kwete kunganda oba pastor ni kwata problem bale ba pastor bale ta capitalize pali ya problem baba pela mwamona ka idia problem tamwebe exactly for Bible ya tabule na Bible amwe bati Bible ya lemba chakukina chakuti ichala chitika pa kuya bwerengera balume bobe verse ala mwebe okutira iwe ifya balume bobe bale chita ufulifo wafu boyfriend umbi nangu ine wine pastor ngambi okulungana na iwe bashuma pepona bena bale ta contribute kubona uchi wabana mayo na baula sana na bana mayo abengi bale bomfya sana bana mayo filongani emkwai but tema church yo emkwai kuli ama church afulungene sana mzangi emkwai ngana minister of moral affairs ngana li sala ko tuma church tumo because na bena mwandini eba chilide okulafuira mufipo mpwa
Fini mwalandi. So, Mami, umuntu ko type shati, but this woman is coming from a very good home. The background is okay. Abarume bala bomba. Maybe this in this house bari kwa tempia, but still arefu mafi. Is it because she wants more money, the money is not enough, or maybe she's not satisfied fully? Because remember last time twakwete conversation when we were talking about memwalandiza tibambi tabakwa tishafiri amaka. Is it because the man is not doing enough tarefikisha hapo taremufikisha hapo paria opo arefa iko kufika, or is it because the money is not enough? What is really the problem?
Ichampia techilenga sana na mayo kufumukia mukito uchende ichakula pali ififyonse echilenga na mayo kya mukito uchende nipa mulandu wakutira limbyo mwa omyo wa mumpa muku bafunda tabamufundire bwino ta ishba ichitemuiko because ichitemuiko chakulya na mutekanya nalala ndafyati sex ichakulya abantu bose nabatekanya nomba kwali bamumayando mwa babashitata bashatekanya enale mona kwati nde chitefisuma kumukashika chitarefikapo mwamonaka so chinana chena chalenga na mayo okufuma ero number 2 bashitata balesa na bakolweringi alesa na akolwa so time yako bati achite bwino mukashi wako efya alefwaya alefirwa kai alekolwa china chitayesa nakolwa so ichirerenga sana ni bashi bantu abene tabakwata fira lavu kutemwa mukashi wako bwino ala kusha lavu munganda mukashi wako ala mukuichita bwino kumukashana eko ala twala makisi no tuma hagi batinga bali upana munganda na hagi takwaba kufika fe mwabombeni amkwayu ya eka takwaba fidia ichupo takwaba tinachikota ichupo tachabati nachikota bashitata nde bafunda nga wakula mono mukashobe ati nakota munganda akafuma akaya pantu ichupo ni insansa okay chupo ni ichupo ni insansa no manga taule insansa mushanafuma kuli bamayo na isa upwa kuli iwe ero taule insansa mushafishi na alakonga because nakunganda kuli bamayo fyonse ko fyali ubwali ulenshitele ko bwali bedi ndelepo ya mtengo ko ya fyonse ko fyali so ichako sapo sana bashitato kana temwa bakashibabo mupwirapo ero ni Bible ya ndati ichupo ni insansa ichupo teshipikisha klabu na uicha ila fati yo kaili ni fine na liupo awe tefyo ichupo mwa myafira le insansa musha ngatare insansa musha definitely kufuma kaili ichirengana sana chaka nde amukufaya bambya bawo nkaye upwa kumbi nakula afuma fende chendula so that twikale tukotero
So it's really important a point on the picking ayakutira. If you are satisfying your wife properly in your house, there is no need for her to go out there. If you're giving her everything that she wants, you satisfy each other. If you're making sure that your wife is happy, it's not only go bedroom. If mwalanda namuli fimbe
mka ero vera labo kubati ichupo te vile na tu ya kukansa to yapo kama marriage certificate. Vile vyote te ichupo. Ichupo te go bati ba pastor ba tu pepera mchechi te ichupo. Ichupo ni sansa. Kusansa mshanya. Ichupo kwa afwana. Mule afwana umulume no mukashi munsansa shonse elo ichupo na chira lengo uchira sambirisha na mayo pako atirafu mamuchupo ale yakumbi ngawasanga tu waliupo mwana kashitabomba ekalafi ulishitata niwe bomba fionse mutwale ko turi mu business world mupene ko capital chitako business so that file fya kutontonka nye fya bupu bata file bako sana ali busy umuntu nga ali busy takwa tension ya kutontonka nya fya bupu mwana wanti kaidi nshita yonso ali busy namubona so nombanga wapo mwana kashi umuteka fye panga ndale eli afyo obwali na bobwali ngati ali hapa kwati limushindikeni mulira kulepuka ngai kutetontonka nya fye pakubikuta icha shalo bakula tontonka nya fya kufuba ero ngachashupa mtwale achiteko kaskiu biliale alexenga ale akuskulu ale chitefia tailoring nangu ale chitefine fya bana mayo bale pick out akusashadi iliye nshita 3 hours ngali kulya iliye nshita yonsakula tontonka nyefya kuskulu ta tontonka nyepo fya bupuba so bashitata nga bale fokusunga bwino bakashiba bupama yanda kuba pele fya kuchita ngaba pele fya kuchita bana mayo tabakalafu nempia chinesho mwachika tako na shena sometimes shilalenga ulafola bwino wemwa ume taule pele omwe kashobe ale mona munanko elionse barampere mpia kai turakwata ma friends abo boy nabashira poka motoka bakwata mpia shimoshine no munanko mona mo bare nkulira kwa kayanda bakwata mpia shimoshine no mulime wakwe ero yena tabare mupera abalume bare amukunu ina fienda rama na kuma ule na isho na google ati ale yakuma ulo kwa le twale ndarama na ine kufa echa kutira chile echilerenga tontonkanya kwa bana mayo so itontonkanya lya kwana mayo lya liberi ashupa sana kanu mule musenda bwino sana ukubombera chapa muno mukashi muli fyonse fyo mule chita takabali achita po buchende munganda kai mule bika mano chapa
mule ba transparent
mule bombera chapa mukai
okay so I push on beyond the focus in this day and age mama Chika Monica yari bakwati ni 50-50 ina abalumenga tabare umfwa ninshinde ikarira panganda ndebo umfwira ine tabare umfwa bare out there filafine twala ndire padi akwali ba side chick bare ba pere mpia bare ba chita spoil ngani Brazilian eyo anga waisa kumana nomba na side chick ali popoka ali wama alensha but wewe mukashi badi kusha so nomba you are not doing all those things. Why am I supposed to be loyal? Ushachirere na chena ti bana mayo bare chitifintu ifya so because abaome na bena bare chitafili afine. So umwana kashinisha arai karira panganda aba fiat no me let me be the wife but abalume he's not doing the same thing. Why umaume enatali itali loyo but aresta expect umwana kashi areba loyo. Nishchala abera so.
Mwana wandi chupo tamaba 50-50. muchupo tamwaba 50-50 umwaume emutwe wanganda echo bana mayo bareishiba tawa iwapo oli Rashidi wa muzi waudi tawa keme poke mine para pantundi musuma mfayo mwaume takwaba ufayo mwaume umwana kashi mwaume eute mwana kashi mwaume na lesa fem Bible ala ali tutipwireni iwe Adam pakufa efya kuli afya kwa Rashidi ukala piberibe iwe na wewe mwana kashi ukala ba submissive kumulume obe pantu ukabaka bomba nomba iyi ne gender muletere mu fyupo takwaba ukukwapa tachira kubeya mwaume nangu kapuba mwaume elo le kankwebe umwaume tachula sapulafi pada pene okafaya tinafuma munganda pamulanda wakati umulume wandisha nita 50-50 na HTF nakaya upano wachilile ukukuchira iwo okasharata wako opwepo efo yaba ero abaume baba fe chimo chini nangu kafume kuli uyu ukayechito buchende kuli ulya ukaichusha fe pantu baba fe chimo chini so tamwa ba 50-50 mchupo mwaume fule wampera respect umuchinshi fule wampera sana umuchinshi respect yali very important okuishi bati uyu mulume wanti ero futi na ni amashina mubeta yalelenga abaume okufuma mayanda bisho walishi becho
ayashana ayo mama
ni ame baby sweetheart darling ba sweetheart ba baby ba daddy ni ba wiso umulume obe ni ba wiso because of Twitter daddy muntu umfiere ba daddy kwali ba mashina aya ko bati ngole ito umulume obe ale umfwe chipale mwamfaka ale umfwe chipale umulume wanje umukashi wandi ali nchindi kaboyi nawe isho barashimika kunchito ine abakashibanyisa ati my king na Bible omufyali muri Bible yonse bana bayo Bible tamwa umfire po muntu ale ito umulume wakati sweetheart na darling mamonaka so bula bwine bu baby ule mwita my baby ala mkuchitefya kale ale imuna ni baby ale imuna ponse po anyata nebo chi baby chiku na bambi iwo wamwita kunga that baby ule na ya mwita kwati baby nomba we mukashufire wakwato muchinshi ulya my king because ni mfumu yobe ale kupela abana cyari ba important mwaume ale kupela abana ale kupela fiance ale kusungira family bali ngo kubatsa respect 50-50 tamwaba munganda mwambi yo kwita balume benu ati my king not my sweetheart ni ba sweet bali ero mularufyanya no kwitira balume papa pongo chat sweetheart so pongo shinomba ku konta mafeto ni ba sweet bali ro sana ba sweet balonga sweet temulete kanye vintu vyo mulenjerera komwe
aba mami tulesa mbili
mwana kufika po ero chimbi fya balanda atishani chiri abalanda mwana wande ati ichupu atishani ati ichan mwana kashi
mwaume ubuchende bwa mwaume
umuchende bwa mwaume tabuto banganda ichiriye chibemba chali was straight but somehow chali kolonga nako umulando wakutila bashitata bafuriyo kwishibo kutila iliyo baba pangire mu ibara lya Eden baba peri abana kashi 5 baba peri fyo mwana kashunga umo
apo pene mami
uyo mwana kashi wako ewafuire fya ikala nanko naba ero lesala palo mwaume wikala no mukashi wako mpaka okukota
sana
nabana babo bala baba palo nukusambira bala sambira no kuboba pantu yakula yonka mubana nomba imwe babiri munganda nga mulefuma Rashidi wafuma batata nabo bafuma iwe wafumino kubatata muira bati namukwate ekintu pakati abana bali abana abo mukwete bali bakala munefyo mukita ero abana bakitefi kitaba fyashi once bamona ati mama ule abana bali okakwatara bakaba mauli n'abana aba umena bakala pondoka wishinga le pondoka abana bakala pondoka nyina ngale kito buchende abana bale mona nabena bakala ula so fya was very dangerous so ichibemba chakutiro buchende bwa mwa metabona nganda takwabo yonse amabuchende abafichinga
chimo
excuse me ubuchende bwa mwa umeno mwana kashi Fiona urenganda fyonse fibili noko na ula abana pa na totela
awezona mami. I'm really understanding because he is saying aleta sana nani kane debate out there to say no just because ndi mwaume ubuchende bwandita pakatobe nganda ngo mwana kashi nisho buchende bwa mwana kashi bwala tobere nganda but ubo betabule tobe nganda awe mami ndetasha sana pali wisdom yo muleta
na totela tekwa pantu ninebo head no bande chitafye ifya kuchita nde kalifya bande fya kalifya mutima
sana
emkwaye
okay awe natasha sana mami. So We'll be right back after this short break. You're still with me, Maggie, and my mother, Mama Chikamoneka. Welcome back, and I'm still here with my beautiful and ever-bubbling mom, Mama Chikamoneka. Mommy, I'm still learning a lot. You are so full of wisdom, and it's a privilege to have people like you around, people that are going to tell it to you straight. They are not that beat about the bush, no, but they will tell you directly, and they will make you understand that this is right and this is wrong. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Twachita appreciate sana. So, Mami, mudifyonse for Mwalanda. When it comes to communication, sometimes your men are not satisfied, or your women are not satisfied. Why are these people not communicating? Isn't communication supposed to be the most important thing in a marriage?
Natotera sana umwana wandi wafika peri ashirisuma sana ili akutila ili ngichilenga ni communication okumfa okula yeba okutila mulume wandi kwena apanchiri bwino ifyule chitatefyo nomba bushawadishi bechilenga filya mulandu wabaume umwa umenga wamweba ati ifitefyo ala kweba ati nikwisa wamwene wayimonaka so bana mayo eringi barafuira mukati instead ngamweba tawe ichi chakulya tufire twali bose twamfwa bwino sevyo ifyo lesa chipanga chintu chitsuma ichakulya mukutekanya nomba balume bandi chintu tamule chibomfya bwino immediately wala mwe bafira ko bati nikwisa wamwene nishine fyupo bambifira ati wantuka so munga ndanga muri communication iya afili okula ufano kwa tawe boss daddy ili ashiri fili okwendefi apana pena pafili okubefi nishumu kashobe takupatire nishalefa yo chinje we mwaume nomba ngataule umfefe areko bakafuma mwana kashana because chiliyo chari ngokulya namuteko omutima Bible yaranda tichisa nkonde ichakulira kumuno nemishira ni Bible teidi.
No, thank you very much. It's really important that married people learn that communication is very important.
Bafile bale so shanya munganda ku bedroom kulya bale lanshanya epo amona problem pamulume afwiri amweba ero ili ingisana echichitika bali bashitata na mayo okufuma kya mukuchito buchende umwa umeringi aba umeta bate mu kusamba ngata uposere kwa mana mama naka so umulandu wafika ofyamu aume omwana kachala fuma nali nachena chilalenga sana fi nafuma kunchito wamubikira meshatiyo nalesa nsambenga nafuma mukukolwa ngafuma mukukolwa la nunke nsapato elwesa nunke nomba nobwalwa nafuaka umwana kachala fulwa fili sometimes nakwebe ati balume bandifi mununka fuaka ine chifwaya ifi mununke nsapato nchifwaya mamona ka ingaisa nakolwa namaka yako ati umufule nsoko shina kolwa le pange fitala filalenga sana bana mayo kufuma kuya kuba umya bakdini mamona ka so fingi sana ifilenga bana mayo kula chito ucheni emkwaye.
Awe, thank you so much, ma'am. And muku in conclusion, muku puisha, what would be your advice out there to married couples out there, to women, especially us women that are going out of their ways to do things that we're not supposed to do, and also to the men, ababa ome, the ones that what can they improve on? What things are they supposed to improve on to make sure that these women don't go out there to look for solace in other men?
Natotera sana mashu ya kulekilesha na lalanda ya kuselesha fiba na mayo kubati kale nina mayanda yenu pantuna mkwata abana balifwaya parental care both emkwaya abana balitemwa sana parental care ya kumanina once mwatampa ukula una ulenganda yenu mukachita affect abana icho tachaka monike bwino sana kuntanji bantu abana tabakasambirire abana bakabafye nomba ichibebebe umulandu wafichitwa fye nomwe bafya chimonsi babiri so bana mayo mule ikalafye na mayanda yenu kusunga bwino abalume beno kubapera ekyakulya icho lesabe ni abapera because kyakulya kuli bene ni food na mayo kyakulya kuli chibantu so mwabapera bali ekyakulya kyabo bwino bayikuta bwino ukupitira mukumfwana bwino nokulanshanya apa lubene bonse babiri mwalanda po bwino ero kwisa kuli bashitata na imwerekeni ukushaba na mayo ukulaenda ukechenda ukeunda ike because once mwatampo okuenda filya mwalale ngabana nomba bakakani okusambirira school pantu impia shonse shingi mwakula chita spend kuli ba side chick ero muri ba side chick bashitata amashiona lalanda yakutira muri miti sana muri miti mu bana ababa Gen Z bali ne mitisha kutira ine shatala mona bali na mukusamba kumanda na mocha libalala so when you careful kale nife nabakashibene ubuchendete bwali mukatekepo mukaliye muke kute natotera mwana wanje.
Thank you so much, Mama Chikamoneka. Well, there you have it. I've been here with my mother, my beautiful mom, who has been feeding us with all this knowledge. If you're not getting knowledge from elderly people who have lived through it, people who have seen it happen, where are you getting it from? Well, this has been Maggie on Iliashi with my beautiful mother, Mama Chikamoneka. We will definitely see you next week, same time, on BMTV Zambia. Top Star Channel 114. Thank you so much and bye.